Hello student, I am Prachi. This is the third part of Unit 6 MCQs on installation of maintenance of electrical equipment. So the 41 number this. So which precaution must be taken while handling lifting devices? So the work should be carried out by the group authorized person. Wear proper PPE and observe proper safety precautions and rules. Check the load is properly lung and don't allow to stand anybody under a lifted load. So the correct answer is option D, that is the all of the options are correct. Means which precautions must be taken while handling the lifting devices? Option D, all of this. Next is 42. Which precaution must be taken while handling lifting devices? So all the options are right and option D is the correct answer. Then the 43 is which of the following tools are used for repairs and maintenance? Bearing puller, filler gauge, dial test indicator, all of this. So the all the options are true or right. Means for maintenance or repairs, bearing puller, filler gauge and dial test indicator also three are used. Then the next is which of the following tools are used for repairs and maintenance? Spirit level, megger and earth tester, growler. So these are also the use for repairs and maintenance. So the correct answer is option D, that is the all of this. Next is which of the following tools is used to remove bearing sets from a rotating machine shaft or from blend bearing holes? So the filler gauge, bearing puller, bearing mounter, spirit level. Correct answer is option B, that is the bearing puller. Means bearing puller is used to remove bearing sets from a rotating machine shaft or from blind bearing hole. Next is which of the following tool is used to measure the clearance between two parts? Gap width. So it is very simple. That is option A is correct. That is the filler gauge. Means when the clearance or gap width, these words are in the question, then definitely the answer is filler gauge. Next is which of the following tools is used to measure the deflection of the arm? So deflections are in the indicator, means dial test indicator. So the option C is correct, that is the dial test indicator. Next is fill in the blanks is a device consisting of a sealed glass tube partially filled with alcohol or other liquid containing an air bubble whose position reveals whether a surface is perfectly level. Spirit level, filler gauge, growler. So the correct answer is option A, that is the spirit level. Next is which of the following device is used to check continuity, short circuit and approximate high value of resistance in mega ohm? Megger, earth tester, ohm meter, insulation tester. So the correct answer is megger. Means which of the following device is used to check continuity, short circuit and approximate high value of resistance? That is the megger. Then the next is the instrument used for measuring the resistance of the earth is known as measuring the resistance of the earth. That is the earth tester. It is very easy. And next is what is the difference between megger and earth tester? Difference between megger and earth tester means measuring principle is different, measuring quantity is different, measuring range is different. So the correct answer is option C, that is the measuring range is different. Means difference between megger and earth tester is that measuring range. So megger and earth tester having a blank and blank terminal leads respectively for the measurement purpose. So the megger and earth tester having a 2 and 4 terminal leads respectively for the measurement purpose. So the correct answer is option C. Then next is what is common between megger and earth tester? Same construction, same working principle, same application, all of this. So the common between megger and earth tester is the same working principle. Next is following instrument are known as which instrument? Means blank instrument. Wire. First is wire, second is wire gauge, second is current transformer, third is potential transformer, fourth is multimeter. So the correct answer is option A, that is the measuring instrument. Means measuring instrument, wire gauge, current transformer, potential transformer and multimeter known as. So next is multimeter is basically a which instrument? PM instrument, EMI instrument, PMMC instrument, induction type. So the multimeter is basically a PMMC instrument. Next is blank is the process of aligning two or more shafts which with each other to within a tolerate margin. Shaft alignment, shaft balancing, shaft coupling, all of these. So the shaft alignment is the process of aligning two or more shafts which with each other to within a tolerate margin. Next is what is the main goal of the shaft alignment? Connect the motor to the driven equipment, efficient transmission of power from the motor to the driven equipment, create speed variation from the motor to the driven equipment, all of this. So the correct answer is option B, that is the main goal of the shaft alignment is that efficient transmission of power from the motor to the driven equipment. Next is the center line of the motor and the driven equipment shaft are not in line with each other is known as incorrect coupling, parallel coupling, incorrect alignment, that is misalignment, or parallel alignment. So the correct answer is option C, that is the incorrect alignment. Next is misalignment between the motor and driven equipment produces excessive noise and vibration in the machine, excessive temperature in coupling and bearing of the machine, premature failure of the bearing, coupling and shaft of the machine. So the correct answer is option D, that is the all the options are right. Means misalignment between the motor and driven equipment produces all these options are correct. So today's thank you, and this is the third part of the MCQs and installation.